Hello and welcome to the Insurance and Consumer Law Video Knowledge Base. Today, we're diving into an important Florida law that protects your rights as an insurance consumer. Florida's Unfair Insurance Trade Practices Act protects you from insurance business practices in an effort to level the playing field of fairness between you and powerful insurance corporations. So let's get started. First, let's break down what this statute is all about. Florida Statute 626.9541(1)(02) is part of the state's insurance code that addresses unfair methods of competition and unfair or deceptive acts by insurers. Specifically, this section makes it illegal for insurance companies or agents to charge, demand, or receive premiums for insurance coverage that is not provided in the policy or not in accordance with the insurance application. In simple terms, you should only be charged for the insurance coverage that you've applied for and that is clearly outlined in your policy. Anything beyond that could be considered illegal. Now let's look at some common scenarios where insurers might violate this statute knowingly or unknowingly. A common scenario where consumers are harmed by illegal insurance premiums occurs when the insurer charges premiums for unrequested coverages. If consumers suspect that they are paying for unrequested coverages, they need to immediately engage the services of an attorney that understands Florida's Unfair Insurance Trade Practices Act. Another common scenario where Floridians can be harmed by unearned illegal premiums occurs when the premium amount you're actually charged doesn't align with the schedule rates, the premiums specified in your policy, or the initial quote provided. A third common area where consumers are harmed by unearned illegal premiums occurs when the insurer assesses hidden fees and surcharges in the billing statements that are not authorized by law or outlined in the policy. Finally, insurers will sometimes charge premiums for insurance that either you or they have already canceled. Even if the insurer canceled the insurance coverage, it may not continue to charge you for premiums if you do not receive insurance benefits. This problem often in the health insurance context. So what recourse do you have as a Floridian if you suspect you've been charged illegal insurance premiums? First, your rights. You are entitled to a clear explanation of all charges included in your premium. You have a right to refunds if you've been overcharged or charged for coverage not provided. If your rights have been violated due to an illegal premium violation, you need to engage the services of an attorney immediately. If you think you're paying illegal premiums, there are some best practices you should adopt to protect your rights. First, you should contact and engage an attorney with experience in insurance law and Florida's Unfair Insurance Trade Practices Act. Insurance companies litigate more than any other individual or enterprise in the country, so you should not try to navigate an insurance dispute alone. Next, carefully compare your insurance policy, application, declarations of insurance, and billing statements to identify discrepancies. Keep records of all communications, invoices, and any other relevant documents. Before you are engaged in written exchanges, you should have engaged an attorney. Importantly, you should not sign any document sent to you by an insurance company without having your attorney review the document. It is always a risk in Florida that you sign your legal rights away. Once you have preserved and reviewed your insurance documents, determined that you have paid unearned premiums, you need to notify your insurer of the violation and demand reimbursement. Florida law provides extremely powerful remedies to protect consumers in this context. Anthony S Hearn, PA, specializes in holding insurance companies accountable, and we have fought for and won the return of illegal insurance premiums for large corporations in the complex commercial context, all the way down to individuals who paid premiums following the cancellation of their health insurance contracts. Our team can assist you in reviewing your policy, identifying illegal charges, and taking the necessary legal steps to protect your rights. Don't let unfair practices go unchallenged. We're here to help you navigate these complexities and ensure you're treated unfairly. If you have questions or need assistance relating to a loss under a policy of property insurance, don't hesitate to contact the firm. Remember to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you found this information helpful, and we'll see you in the next video.